What's the quickest way to master the charts? Well, you guys who listen to me every day, you know that my immediate response is spend 10 to 15 minutes with us every day charting the markets, following not only the 4 ETFs that we chart, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, 20-year bonds and gold, but also Bitcoin, and then whatever stocks or ETFs you're interested in, a couple of 3. It won't take you more than 10 or 15 minutes to go through everything, to listen to the show, check out your charts really quickly. Now, what does that do for you? Well, it gets you involved in the market, makes you think about what's going on. That's all well and good. But then how do you supercharge what it is you're doing? Well, that is by filling out the daily market worksheet. It really can be done while you're doing everything else, while you're listening. Now, I know a lot of you may listen on the road. You may listen on the bus, the train, the plane, wherever you might be or be going. But I do encourage you to fill out that daily worksheet. What does that do for you? It helps you see a snapshot of all 3 time frames at once, right there in front of you. You can watch the wave as it starts building with the half day, as it starts moving up on the 2-day, as it crescendos on the weekly, as you have that weekly vertical crossover, or the 2-day recross. It helps you see all of it at once, and it really does solidify your learning. So you want to supercharge your training, fill out the daily worksheet. Now, I will put that daily market worksheet training at the end of this video so that you have it. And if you're a subscriber at chartingwealth.com, of course, for free, you get the PDF for that daily worksheet. The last thing I'd throw in, number 3. So number 1, follow the markets every day, 10 to 15 minutes, listen to the show. Number 2, fill out the daily market worksheet. Number 3, fill out the trade worksheet. That trade worksheet helps you follow the trade to understand what's going on, why it's working, why it's not working. It lets you go back in time and review what you did right, what you did wrong, and that's the real money. That's where the money hits the road. So, those 3 things will put you well on your way to solidifying your knowledge and becoming a charting master. Doesn't matter how long it takes. Why? Because once you have the knowledge, you got yourself a printing press. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.